Welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about padding and element width. So let me show you what it all means. So now our padding, our element here, which is the div, we have given it a class which we name padding. So and we have a text in our div element, which is the text guy. So now let me show you padding. You can name your class whatever you want, but for me, I'm just using padding to make it more to have more reference. So now let me say the width. The width will be, let me say 400 pixels. Now then let me add the padding. The padding will be let me say 25 pixels. 25 pixels. So now let me show you how basically you can't really understand what is going on now, but let me show you in our inspect element. So you just have to right click on your website, so it will take you to the inspect. So now we'll go to the style. So now this is it, the style. You can see our CSS here, the width, which is the 400 pixels, then the padding, which is the top. You can see the top, the right, the bottom, and the left. They are all 25 pixels. So now let's go to the so now this is where we are coming to. So now we have the width to be 400. You can see here the width is 400. So by default the height is 18.286. Now you see the padding 25 around each all corner. Now let me increase it so that you understand what I'm saying. Let me make it 50. Now you see I have it 50. Now you see the value has changed. So now what is the essence of we making use of this property? Now normally width here, which is 400, has now increased to 450 because of the padding we added. Now for us to maintain the size to be 400, what we need to do is we need to add a box sizing. Then we'll make use of border box. Now you see our width has now decreased to 350. I hope you understand this. So this is how you can make use of the padding element, the width in CSS. I hope you understand. So this is the end of today's tutorial. Next tutorial we'll be discussing about some other properties in CSS. Thank you.